Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using CapCut to edit your videos, but want to export them without that watermark, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to remove the CapCut watermark completely free. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps together. First, import any image with a resolution of 1920 by 1250 pixels and add it to the timeline first. This makes your video size larger than 1920 by 1080, and that's the trick we'll use to skip the watermark. Let's jump into the steps now. Next, go ahead and add your actual visuals and sound effects to the timeline, just like you normally would. Once everything is ready, it's time to export the video. Yes, we're going to export it with the watermark first. But here's the trick. Before you click Export, reposition the CapCut watermark, bottom edge of the video. Because we started with a taller image earlier, the watermark will now sit outside the standard 1080p frame. Now export your video. Technically, it still has a watermark, but it's placed in a part of the video we're going to cut off next. To do that, you'll need to download VSDC Video Editor. Don't worry, it's completely free. Now, open VSDC Video Editor. Start by clicking on Blank Project, then set your project name and make sure the resolution is 1920 by 1080. This is super important to crop the watermark correctly. Once that's done, click the Finish button to create the project. Next, click on Add Object at the top and choose Video, or simply drag and drop the video you just exported from CapCut. This will place your video in the project, ready for editing. All that's left to do is adjust the scale and position of the video. Drag the video to position right place. Now, blank space at the bottom is completely out of the 1920 by 1080 frame. Once everything looks good and the watermark is gone, go ahead and export the video from VSDC. You'll now have a clean, high-quality video without any CapCut watermark, and it didn't cost you a thing. And that's it. A super easy way to remove the CapCut watermark without using any paid tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.